Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel Falcon Tarot. This is a weekly reading starting 20th of June. How we'll go about with the video is the top row is for you, the bottom row is for your person, but feel free to switch if you like. However, for me, the top row is always for the sign I do this video for. Now let's quickly go ahead and see what this particular week has in store for you. So the first card that I see for you here, Pisces, is you have the Queen of Swords, the Nine of Pentacles, and the King of Pentacles. Your person has the Five of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, and the Wheel of Fortune. Bottom of the deck, I have the Chariot card. So either you or your person could be dealing with a Cancer, or you would want to march forward with that Chariot energy and take this relationship to either a totally different direction, or you would want to take it to the next level. Now what I'm seeing here for you Pisces is you have the Queen of Swords. Okay, with the Queen of Swords energy, you want to have a very honest conversation with your person, and if they come to talk to you, you expect them to tell you everything very honestly, because the energy that you are in, you will not accept any BS from them. Okay, the other thing that I see here is you have the Nine of Pentacles with the King of Pentacles. With that, you have a very single abundant energy. You're doing well for yourself, and that's something that people see about you, that you are doing well, your finances are in place, and that's something that is attracting a lot of people towards you. Your person, on the other hand, has the Five of Pentacles. With the Five of Pentacles, they feel left out in the cold. They feel that, there could be a situation where because of outside interferences, you have left them and they are just, outside your reach. They are not able to communicate with you. They are not able to have that connection with you that they had earlier. Now what I also see for your person is they are expecting to start fresh with this Page of Cups energy. They do have love for you. They want to offer that cup to you, but it's a very childlike energy. They want to start small and test the waters to see how it will go. There is definitely something that they are expecting to change with that Wheel of Fortune. They want things to change and move positively, so that things between the two of you, if they are complicated right now, it just helps them to resolve all those issues and move forward in this particular relationship. Now let's take a card here to understand what is the intention of this person for you for this particular week. So the first card that I see here is the Two of Pentacles, the Page of Cups, and the High Priestess. With the Two of Pentacles, it definitely looks like that either you or this person was juggling. It could again be a person, it could be another situation, but there was definitely some kind of a juggling that was happened. And another thing that I see here is the Page of Cups, which has come in again. With the Page of Cups, it is the childlike energy wherein this person wants to offer this cup of love to you. But for very few of you, if you see this card, okay, with this cup, there is this fish that is coming out. So if there was something that happened between you or a third person, or either them and a third person, and that has resulted in maybe some kind of a pregnancy for some of you, then that's the secret that this person is hiding. Because we also have the High Priestess here. With the High Priestess, if there's some secret, anything of that sort that has happened, the High Priestess energy makes the other person aware that there's something going on, okay, so that she's the keeper of secrets, and with that energy she already knows what's happened. Okay, so just have a very honest conversation is my advice. Okay, if there is something like this, either you or your person, you could have fallen into something like this, have that conversation, do not hide anything, and just see how it goes from there. Now let's take one card here to see what is the message from archangels and a crystal that can help you in this situation. So the crystal that I see here is lapis lazuli. The crystal message is, are you listening to your inner guidance? Let go of the extra stress in your life, release obstacles that cause frustration, align with the angels, and allow divine orchestration to light your path, to bring you to the right place at the right time. Flow and allow your inner guidance to show you the way. Listen to that still small voice within in order to find the answers that you seek. Now the message here from Archangel Michael, I'll go ahead and put that in the description box. You can read it out from there. That's all that I have for you for this particular week. If you like the content of the video, please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Until the next video, please stay safe and love yourself first.